Do you want to make your English more powerful and natural? In this video, I'll teach you some common adjectives with simple example sentences you can use in daily life. Learn them, practice them, and start speaking English with confidence. Let's begin.
Arrogant. He sounds arrogant when he talks about himself. Impatient. She is impatient and doesn't like waiting. Jealous. He felt jealous when his friend got a new phone. Selfish. Don't be selfish, share your toys. Careless. He is careless and often forgets his keys. Moody. She is moody and changes her feelings quickly. Bossy. My sister is bossy. She always tells me what to do. Dishonest. The dishonest woman lied about the money. Happy. I'm happy to see you again. Excited. The children are excited about the trip. Relaxed. I feel relaxed on the beach. Bored. I was bored during the long meeting. Tired. He is tired after working all day. Angry. He was angry because he missed the bus. Sad. She is sad about the bad news. Nervous. She gets nervous before an exam. Confused. He was confused by the instructions. Surprised. I was surprised by the birthday party. Strong. The athlete is strong and healthy. Weak. The tea is weak, it needs more sugar. Kind. He is very kind to everyone. Friendly. Our neighbors are friendly and helpful. Honest. I know he is honest because he always tells the truth. Generous. My uncle is generous, he gives money to charity. Polite. It's polite to say thank you. Creative. He is creative and paints amazing pictures. Brave. The firefighter was very brave. Smart. He is smart enough to solve the problem. Hardworking. She is hardworking and studies every day. Cheerful. He is always cheerful in the morning. Rude. It's rude to interrupt people. Lazy. My brother is too lazy to clean his room. Powerful. The storm was very powerful. Helpless. The child felt helpless when he got lost. Confident. She is confident when speaking in public. Shy. He is shy and doesn't like talking to strangers. Energetic. He is energetic and runs a lot. Calm. Stay calm and don't panic. Flexible. She is flexible and can change her plans easily. Stubborn. He is stubborn and never changes his mind. Beautiful. The view from the mountain is beautiful. Ugly. The building looks ugly and old. Expensive. This car is very expensive. Cheap. The food here is cheap but tasty. Delicious. The cake is delicious. Terrible. The movie was terrible and boring. Interesting. The book is interesting and full of stories. Difficult. The exam was difficult for everyone. Easy. This exercise is easy to do. Important. It is important to learn English.